Hello, my name is Steve Morrow, and I'd like to spend a few minutes demonstrating to you how to set up the poll pad for voting. The poll pad was designed for an easy setup where one poll worker, maybe two, can set up all of their designated poll pads at their precinct on election morning. Prior to setting up your poll pads, the first thing you and your team will want to do is decide where to set up your check-in station, and then set up your tables and chairs accordingly. Once you have done that, you can begin setting up your poll pads. Begin by opening up the green suitcase using your thumbs to press down on the gray knobs and lift up the black locks. This will unlock your green poll pad suitcase. Once you have opened up your poll pad suitcase, you can begin removing all the components. The black printer is the first thing you will remove. Remove the black printer from the suitcase and set it off to the side. Notice the Polk County 4-digit serial number on top of the printer. We will come back to that serial number in a few minutes. Next, remove the yellow-black base and set it off to the side. When you remove the base, you will notice tucked inside a black battery brick, a black cord or the bow tie cord, and a folded piece of equipment called the arm. Remove these components and set it next to the printer and base. Located in the front of the suitcase is a plastic tray and a white iPad battery brick and charging cord. Remove these three components and also set them next to the printer and base. Located in the center of the suitcase, you will find two stylus. Remove one stylus and keep one in the suitcase for backup. Last, but certainly not least, is the iPad. The iPad is located in the top left of the suitcase. Remove the iPad and set it on the table face down. Notice the Polk County 4-digit serial number on the back of the iPad. Set the iPad face down with the 4-digit serial number facing you. You will want to be able to read the serial number as if you're reading a book or a magazine. It is very important while setting up your poll pad that you keep the Polk County serial number on the printer and iPad together. The iPad and printer talk via Bluetooth and must stay together in order to operate properly. When putting together your poll pad, begin with the printer. The first thing you will want to do is to set your printer nose down or on its nose. You will notice a three-pronged outlet on the back of the printer. Take your black brick and insert the three-pronged connector into the three-pronged outlet. The arrow on the three-pronged connector should be facing you as you insert the cord into the printer. You will hear a faint clicking noise upon connection. Once you connected the black brick cord to the printer, you can set the printer on the table or on its belly. Next, take the remaining black cord, the bow tie cord, and connect it to the black brick, and then plug the black cord into the surge protector. To turn on the printer, make sure the line is pressed on the left side of the printer. Straight line down indicates the printer is on, and the circle pressed down indicates the printer is turned off. You will also notice a green indicator light on the front of your printer. Green indicates to you that your printer is on and ready for printing. After the printer is assembled, take the arm, which is collapsed, and extend it. When fully extended, you will notice on one side of the arm a yellow dot, and on the other side of the arm the words "No ink." On both sides of the arm are two connectors. I call these green connectors lobster claws because they press in. Using your thumb and middle finger, press in on the green connectors and place the arm over the Apple logo on the iPad. Release the green connectors and the arm will now be connected to the iPad. Remember, make sure you are able to read the Polk County 4-digit serial number like you would if you were reading a book or magazine. This will make for easy installation of the arm. You'll hear a clicking noise that will indicate the arm is secured to the iPad. Once the arm has been connected to the iPad, grab the arm by the black base, turn the iPad around so the screen is facing you, and place both of your thumbs through the window. Lastly, place the bottom of the arm into the slot into the middle of the base. You may need to apply a little pressure. After the iPad has been firmly secured to the base, it is now time to connect the plastic scan tray to the back of the iPad. The scan tray is where voters place their driver's license to be scanned. The scan tray connects to the back of the iPad near the top left corner where the camera is located. Simply slide the plastic connector on the back of the scan tray, puzzle piece A, into the plastic connector located on the back side of the iPad, puzzle piece B. This action requires no force or manipulation. Simply slide puzzle piece A into puzzle piece B, take your stylus and place it into the stylus holder. Lastly, you'll need to turn on your iPad. Take the white battery brick and open its teeth, insert the USB on the charging cord into the USB port on the white battery brick. Plug the white battery brick into the surge protector, and the final thing you will do is plug the charging cord into the iPad, which is located on the right side of the iPad next to the home button. The iPad will turn on and will automatically begin at the home screen.